Hi guys. So I mentioned last week on my story that I have a new partnership and it looks like I just received my product. So we're going to open it together and I will explain what it is and how it can benefit not only me but also you. Awesome. It came with an installation guide because we all know I'm going to need that. But basically this product is going to allow me to continue to do track days without committing to a bucket seat. So it's called the Bolster Boost. And of course, looking at it like this is not really going to help you visualize. But it's going to be two pieces and it's going to strap to your OEM seat and basically hold you in. I don't know if this helps. So I will have to do another video installing it, and then I'm going to do a couple of videos where I test it just daily driving. I'm going to test it on a back road, and then of course track days. I've opted out of doing track days until like September because it's just too hot and I don't really want to deal with it. I still have to dial in my suspension as well as get new tires, which is all coming. I just have to find the time and to wrench and whatnot. So yeah, this is going to be super exciting. I'm very grateful for the opportunity, and I will keep you guys in the loop. So it's going to strap to the seat and it'll hold me in essentially once I figure out how. And it looks like it came with some extra pieces, a sling. It came with some leather protectors for Teslas in case I want to loan it out at track days and let people try, because I will be having like a promo code for you guys to use for a discount. So yeah, it's called the Bolster Boost. I'm super excited to be part of the team, and stay tuned for more videos. Also going to add that if you aren't subscribed to my YouTube channel, you probably want to go do that now, because I have some very exciting news that I will be talking about on that channel soon, and I will be helping the race team that the news is revolving around next weekend at Laguna, so stay tuned for a vlog about that.